Hello, it's Cecilia from Virtuas. Today we'll be talking about how to use SharePoint's advanced search property restrictions. With the search, you can type in a word or a phrase, and SharePoint is pretty good at pulling up the relevant files. However, if you have tons of files, it'll be tough to go through all of them without using property restrictions to narrow down your search. Property restrictions have a property name, property operator, and property value. One thing to keep in mind is there shouldn't be a space between any of these. So let's say we want to find documents where the author is Deborah Berger. The property name would be author, the operator is the colon, and the value would be Deborah Berger. Quotation signifies that this is the exact phrase we're looking for. If you click enter, you'll see all the files that Deborah Berger has authored. You can even use multiple restrictions. For instance, let's say I want to find a file authored by Deborah Berger or Megan Bowen, and in the title I want the word products but not the word electronics. You can type these all in individually and add Boolean phrases, but with more restrictions the harder it gets for SharePoint to go through all of them accurately. Instead, you can use parentheses to group restrictions. So for the author restriction, we would put parentheses here and put Deborah Berger or Megan Bowen. Don't forget to close the parentheses. And then for the title restriction, we'll have products. The minus basically means not, and if you want, you can add a plus here, which signifies and. We click enter and you'll see all the files that have the word product in the title, and it's been authored by Deborah or Megan, but none of these titles have the word electronics in them. That's all we have time for today. Join me next time where I'll talk about property operators, but until then, have a great day.